guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I do my pedicure at home. So as you guys can see, I am scrubbing the bottom of my feet with this device that I got from Dollar Tree. This is actually used to file down cheese, but I'm using it on my feet because it works. And I also use this in the shower as well. As you guys can see, it works, right? Look at that. So I don't know what to call it. I don't want to say gross, but I mean, because it's like, it's human skin. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's on my feet. Like, this is normal. I'm just removing it. So anyways, yeah, I only got this for $1 and it really works. And I use it in the shower as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and clip my toenails. Okay, I know my toenails look really horrible. Well, I have a story. You know, the coronavirus, you know, and me working like a crazy person, driving to work for like 4.5 hours a day. Yeah, this is what happens when you are busy and there's a freaking virus around the world right now. So yeah. So anyways, I'm clipping my toenails and yeah, have fun watching me clip my toenails. Alright, so after that I'm going to go ahead and remove the dead skin around my toes. I don't know the technical term for all this stuff, guys. I'm not a professional when it comes to like pedicures or even skincare for that matter. But so yeah, if I say the wrong terminology, then you could just, you know, correct me in the comments. So I'm cool with it. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and remove the dead skin around my nail bed. And yeah, all these products that I'm using so far I got from Dollar Tree. I don't really spend a lot of money on pedicure products. Maybe I should, maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. It works. This whole procedure took me about 2.5 hours to do, and you will see why in this video. Yeah, I took my time. It's not even taking my time. It took a while to get this done, and I really needed to get this done. But I did it in a relaxing, soothing way, and you will see all of that as we progress on with this video. So yeah, block some schedule out of your time because this may take a while, especially if your toes look anything like my toes. Okay. So here we're just repeating the same thing with the other foot, which is just clipping the toenails and cleaning under the toe nail and then cleaning around the nail bed. Okay. So yeah, really simple, okay? But it takes a little bit of time. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and proceed on and file my toes. Now this filer was a little thin. I probably should have gotten something a little thicker for the toes, but it did the job. It did what it needed to do. I filed them down, and it was nice and smooth, so it worked out, okay? Also got this from Dollar Tree as well. So yeah, I really enjoyed this. This was very relaxing for me. Alright guys, so let's talk about this product here for a second. This is the Radiant Spin Care System. I've used this on my channel before. I use it in the shower. It's waterproof. I use it on my face, my body, and as you guys can see here, I'm using it on my feet. So I'm using the pumice stone just to give my feet that polished, soft feel. And I'm going to leave you guys a coupon code if you guys would like to try it out for yourself for 70% off. So yeah, enjoy that. And here I'm just finishing off my feet with scrubbing it with this brush. I love using this brush because it just helps with circulation and it feels really good on the feet. Okay, as you guys can see, my feet are already really soft and I'm not even finished. Look how soft that is. And I just feel really special today. I'm really taking time out to take care of me. I don't do this often, as often as I should. But yeah, I'm like really enjoying making this video. I'm really proud of myself, okay? So as you can see, I'm just rubbing between my toes there and I feel really good. I feel really good, guys. So keep enjoying this video, guys. As you see, I'm just rubbing. Alright guys, so here I'm just rinsing my feet with some clean water and then I'm going to take a hot towel, I put it in the microwave and just place it on top of my feet for just a few minutes. It feels so good, oh my gosh. And then I'm going to get some lotion and some olive oil and rub those two together and just apply that on my skin, my feet. Just give it a nice soft, like sexy feel. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, I'm just so proud. I got this done. And it was perfect when I was able to just relax. Now I'm going to go ahead and just polish my toes. Okay, I'm not perfect at polishing, and I was just praying that I didn't make a mistake as I filmed this part, but I did pretty good. So I just finished it off with a red polish. I like black, but I wanted some color in this video. I usually do black nail polish or white nail polish, but I wanted some color for this video, okay? So I use red, and then after that, I just use a clear coat, and then that was it, guys. I blow dry my toes, I put my feet up, and I relaxed for the rest of the evening. When I got in the shower, I massaged the rest of my body, massaging my legs, I didn't do that with the pedicure. I did it in the shower. So that's it. Your girl is done. I'm out. Please subscribe to this channel if you enjoy my videos. And I'll see you on the next one. If you try this out, let me know in the comments. And enjoy your spa day. All right, guys. Ciao. See you on the next video. Bye. Peace and love.